Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy in Toca Boca. First, locate the candy machine in the game's food court area. This machine is essential for crafting your sweet treats. You'll need to understand its basic operation to begin the process. We'll cover each step to ensure you can easily create delicious cotton candy for your Toca Boca characters. Get ready to sweeten up your game world with this fun activity. Once you've found the machine, it's time to gather your virtual ingredients. Access the ingredient selection panel on the machine's interface. Here, you can choose your preferred sugar type and any desired flavorings or colors to customize your cotton candy. Make sure you have enough in-game currency or items if they are required for your chosen ingredients. This step is crucial for personalizing your sweet creation.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like for more awesome Toca Boca tips. Staying hydrated is key, even when you're busy making virtual treats. A quick recommendation, the Owala water bottle keeps your drinks perfectly cold. It's great for long gaming sessions or just staying refreshed throughout your day. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your ingredients ready, the crafting process is straightforward. Simply place your selected sugar and flavorings into the candy machine's designated slot. Then, activate the machine by pressing the start button to begin the spinning process. It's fun to watch as the machine transforms the sugar into fluffy, colorful cotton candy right before your eyes. The whole process takes just a few moments. After the machine finishes, collect your freshly made cotton candy from the output tray. Now, you can offer this delightful sweet treat to your Toca Boca characters for their enjoyment. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and flavors to create unique combinations. This allows for endless fun and creativity, making each cotton candy creation special. Your characters will love these personalized treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.